perfect place to make a video, so I chose in this room. It's a guest room. Anyway, Dad, my grandmas are talking and my neighbors are having a grill. There's a song playing like, one's out 7 years old. Okay. Anyway, Dad and they're just making noise, so I can think of a perfect video idea. So here we are, in this room with a closet. And I found, and in one of my birthdays, there was some kind of candy that I think's expired. I'm going to show you. Does that look like it's expired? And it's from my birthday. Well, a few different birthday gift. Probably when I think when I turned 1, 2, 3, 6. All I know that my 7th was so I think this was around when I was 6. Anyway, I'm just going to draw for my life. That's what I do. You see that comics I made? Those were made by me. But I don't have enough time to draw. So I'm just going to sleep.